everyone, today in front of me I have HUAWEI Nova Y90 smartphone, and in this video we're going to demonstrate how you can enable the mobile data saver on this device. So first and foremost, you gotta enter the general settings app. In here, go ahead and open the mobile network category, data usage. In here you want to go straight for the smart data saver and turn this toggle on, and that will essentially mean that you have successfully activated the cellular data saver on this device. It is not really important at which SIM card you're going to do that, since as you can see we use the page for the SIM card number 1, but the data saver has been activated effectively for both SIM cards, just like so. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.